Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today I am going to show you one of the best traffic source where you can get huge traffic without any cost. So let me tell you, so far, you must have tried many of the traffic sources. Maybe you are having your own YouTube channel or FB page or affiliate product or website. But most of the times, you are struggling to get traffic even after getting your 100% efforts. Many of the peoples are getting I could say many of the peoples are struggle to get quality traffics. So that is the reason I have created this channel, and majority of the times I will put such videos from where people can aware about the different traffic sources where they can promote their affiliate products or YouTube link or Facebook page link and get traffic. So without any delay, let us directly jump to our traffic source. So this is the platform called mewe.com, mewe.com. And if we check on the similar web, then you will amaze their monthly visitors are close to 11 million, or I could say more than 11 million. And average visit duration is almost 7.5 minutes. So 11 million people are visiting monthly on this platform, and people who are visiting this platform is averagely spending around 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, now if we see about the top 5 countries who are using this platform, then you will find US, Hong Kong, Canada, Australia and United Kingdom, where US share is around 58%, Hong Kong 6%, Canada 3%, Australia 3, and UK around 2.5%. So now most of the countries are belong to tier 1 countries. Okay, so now you can see the potentiality of this platform, and this is, believe me, this is the heaven for the affiliate marketers or for those who are having their own products. This is more or less similar to Facebook .com. So sign up process is very easy and self-explanatory, so I'm not wasting your time. Once you sign up and log in, you can see this interface. Okay, so now let me tell you what is Mewe is. Mewe is basically a social engaging platform where different people from different region are coming, and they are posting their thoughts, their products or whatever, and other peoples get engaged. So as I mentioned earlier, it is almost similar to Facebook, but maybe some of the interfaces are different. But I'm sure most of you guys have already have used plenty of other platforms, so you can easily serve this platform and use this platform. Now, how we can use this platform? So one of the I could say one of the way to use this platform is to write something about your product or like yourself or whatever about your affiliate products or your like YouTube channel or whatever you want. Then you can attach your photos, files, videos, gifs, poll, voice, strikers, etc. So once you post your product or whatever, it will be getting displayed over plenty of millions of peoples on this platform. So your product will get traffic and engagement. Let us see some of the example. See, this gentleman has made one post around 6 days ago, and he already got 1k likes. 451 people have boosted their post, and 1.8k person there upvoted their post. And this is the like engagement. 534 have people have engaged, and 85 people have shared this post. Correct. So please study a different post and try to learn how people are posting on this forum, and let's learn something new, and let's try to find a better way that you can get benefited. See, this post already like gained a view of around 1.8k. Then 1.2k people have like responded. 455 people liked it. So there are plenty of ways. Now, this gentleman has posted some links related to music. So same way you can post your affiliate link under different post or different affiliate link under one post, whatever way you prefer. See, 871 people have liked it, 451 has revert with some different emojis, 1.8k have upvoted. So please try to study by viewing others people post, and accordingly create your post, and always post different of your affiliate products or your YouTube links or whatever you want. This is the first way. Second way, if you click here, there is an option called browse group. Okay, so see, this is a like platform which is still a very new. So I would recommend to create as many as group, so you will get some early bird advantage. Now, once you create a group, then of course on a header note you can add your affiliate link or your product link, whatever you want. So still there are lots of traffic yet to be like come on this platform. So being a early bird, you can create some of the groups, and being a admin you can manage traffic or you can interact with people easily. So it's more or Facebook. So I'm not wasting your time. Here are the different categories like arts, astrology, blogs, business. So whatever product you are interested or whatever niche you have selected, so accordingly you can create a group and start inviting people to join this group. So automatically they can see your products or your links and you will get sales. Another third option to earn from this platform is by creating engaging pages. Again, this is similar to Facebook. So you can create a page, you can create your link, you can create your niche over here, and give some details about your page and invite the people. So people can have some engagement, they will come across your page or your group, and after all it will result it into your sales. Correct. So these are the three major ways, like by posting here, by joining or creating groups, and by creating pages. You will get huge sales. And as I mentioned earlier, or as I show you earlier, around 12 millions of people are using this platform across a globe. So you can imagine the potentiality of the sales for your products. So please spend at least half an hour per week for this platform. Post some comments or post, create some page, make some groups, and start making money. And as I mentioned many of the times, like traditional platforms like YouTube or Twitter or Reddit or Quora or like Facebook, they are having lots of competition. So I will always try to explore different platforms where competition is low and you will get quality and organic traffic. So I hope you will like this video. So if you like, you can join our channel, so I can provide you more videos and I will make you update about this. Thanks a lot.